going to be making a perfect breakfast croissant. So I'm just going to add some butter in a pan. Now I have split my croissant in half. So I'm just going to toast these on the pan. Okay, these are now done. I'm just going to remove them. So I've added some more butter in the pan. I'm going to add some turkey rashes. I'm going to fry 2 eggs. So I'm going to now remove the rashes. I'm going to keep the eggs runny, so we're just going to cook these just for a few seconds. I'm going to now remove the eggs. I'm going to just add some barbecue sauce. So here we have our perfect breakfast croissant. Hope you guys give it a try, and thanks guys for watching.